Hey guys, I'm Allison. I'm the Pampered Wife. I have got some deliveries that arrived, some from Credo, Dazzle Dry, I believe KJAER WEIS. That could be it, but I've got 4 boxes here and I thought it'd be fun just to do an unboxing. I don't even remember what's in them, so let's go ahead and jump in. It's been really cold this week finally, so I'm all comfy and cozy. There's actually a fireplace right there and it is burning right now, which is lovely. We may get interrupted by my husband coming back in with the dog from a walk, but I'll probably pause this so you don't have to hear all that. Anyway, let's see what's in box number 1. I went ahead and opened the boxes, just took the tape off and that kind of thing, but I have not actually, oh, I'm guessing this is from 100% Pure because they use that kind of packaging that you can compost or put down the sink. Actually, they were the first company I ever got a package from that uses this kind of packaging. Noodles? Yes, definitely 100% Pure. I think I ordered a couple of these. My very, very favorite hand lotion, especially now that it's getting cold. These are on sale like all the time. I got Honey Almond, which is probably just a scent that was on sale because they are all so good. These are not greasy. I love these. They're a staple. We keep them in every room. This is my Retinol Restorative Neck Cream. Actually, I just did an Aging Gracefully video. I will link that, but I mentioned this and I've been using it. My neck looks so much better. You'll see the difference in that video, and I purchased a second one. This is the second jar of this. I'm not out of the first one, but this was also on sale. We've got a sample of the Fruit Pigmented Tinted Moisturizer. I actually love the Fruit Pigmented Tinted Foundation, I think is what it's called, or Fruit Pigmented Foundation. It's a liquid foundation, beautiful. That's medium to full coverage, getting off topic. Oh yeah, I also got some nail polish. This just looked like a fun shade. And then we have one more sample. You do get to choose your samples, which samples they send you or include. And I got the Green Tea EGCG Concentrate Cream. I'm not sure this is what I picked actually, but whatever. If I didn't pick it, I'll still use it, especially when I travel. So that's 100% Pure. I already know I love all these items, so none of these are new to me, but they are new. And this nail polish wears so well. I'm just shocked. Next, from Dazzle Dry, which if you're not familiar with Dazzle Dry, it's been a long time, but I've included them in a video before too. It's a nail polish system that's supposed to last as long as gel nails. So let's see, Healthy Nails, Product Manual and Quick Start Guide. The system includes this nail prep, which is different from alcohol. I've actually corresponded with the founder. She's female. So first you do the nail prep and then you do a base coat, which is clear, and the color nail polish and a top coat. And basically it all seals together and it dries in 5 minutes. It's absolutely amazing. It really does wear really, really well and it's clean. Oh, I'll link everything I mentioned in this video down below, by the way. So I got a full size of the nail prep. It looks like I got Revive for top coat and nail lathers. 4 ingredients in this, which I think she made it as simple as possible. That's incredible. I truly believe that beauty and wellness go hand in hand. Dazzle Dry is the only quick drying, long lasting, non-toxic, vegan nail care system of its kind. And after using Dazzle Dry, I think you will too. And then I got one of their little kits, which comes with the next 2. Let's see. I guess this is just to put on clear nails. I'm not familiar with this product. I'll have to look into it a little bit. So these are what I picked. I was feeling sort of red when I got this, which is funny because the 100% Pure color I got is so pale and then this is so deep. I'm excited to use it. I think this will be used tonight. People Kind, Planet Kind, One of a Kind. These are products I bought during the sale. I'm very excited to have this back in my life. This is the Therapy Propolis Ultra Radiance Cream. Honestly, I was trying to wait until I used up other moisturizers. I just missed it too much. This is my very, very favorite. It's thick, it's heavy, it will leave you shiny. It's amazing if you have dry skin, if you are concerned about maturing. I mean, you wake up the next morning and your skin still feels moisturized, which for me is a rarity. So I went ahead and repurchased it because it was 20% off. Oh, I got some Jones Road things. So this is the Jones Road Best Blush in the shade Pop, Rose Petalon or something like that. Looks like French. All right, clearly I should have opened it from the other end. Same packaging as an eyeshadow that I have that I really like. So it's sleek, very thin, very light plastic, but like a matte plastic, not shiny. It's very small. I think this is a full size. Ooh, very pretty. It's pink and it has some sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. When I say sparkles, I mean in a good way. Like it looks like very, very small sparkle particles. Doesn't look like chunky glitter like you'd put on your eye. Oh, and it is a powder. I was specifically looking for a powder blush. I think I've always preferred powder, and I've noticed I just have so many creams now that I really miss the powders. So here's the shade Pop. I really wanted you to see the sparkles. Maybe you'll see it. Well, I don't see it in this light either, but we will be using this in a video, so don't worry. I also got Jones Road Just a Sec eyeshadow in Pewter. I really wanted to try the Just a Sec eyeshadows, so I'm excited about this. This one comes in a glass pot with a plastic top. I love the cohesive branding. You guys, if you've been watching me, you know that is so important to me. So let's see this. Oh, interesting, no top. Like if you get a Victoria Beckham or a lot of other potted eyeshadows that are glittery, they come with a little piece of plastic that you have to lift off. This does not have that, which tells me it must be, you know, pretty solid and not have much fallout, is what I'm expecting. And this also has some glitter in it. I'll use a different finger. Oh, it's almost like putty. Like it's risen, and when I push my finger on it, I'm just gently rubbing, I can feel it compress a little, which is kind of fun. This is so pretty. I think I'm gonna love this. So pretty. It looks like actually a lot of product to get through too. This will be really beautiful for the holidays. I could see it as a one and done, you know, like it's called Just a Sec eyeshadow. I could really see it working lots of different ways. Oh, I think I know what this is. Yes, the Takasumi Detox, the underarm bar. These are amazing. I've had a trial size or travel size. It was much smaller. It's basically a charcoal soap that you only use on your underarms. You could use it around your private parts as well. Anywhere you get sweaty, basically, and it really helps just reduce the sweat. I use natural deodorant. It helps remove whatever residue is left on my underarm and just really helps keep some odor at bay. Just a little bit. It's not a deodorant, but it's crazy how it works. I got the Jones Road, the face pencil. Okay, and I got the shade, well, shade 8. Oh, I hope this is the right shade. And if you're not familiar with the pencil, I got this because I've just been really curious about Jones Road. This was, I think this is what she released first. I held off on getting it. Bobbi Brown recommends using, I mean, like 3 or 4 different shades on your face, and it just seemed too much. Like I'm not gonna, you know, it's a concealer, it's also a foundation if you spread it out. So it's cute. It's not as long as I thought. The top matches the other cream colored packaging perfectly. This looks really kind of dark. I'm not sure I did such a good job here. That's my dog walking by. So let's see. I mean, I'll put this on the back of my hand because that'll be closer to my face. I want to see a line where I do it straight on and then on its side. My dog is now sort of whining and staring at me. Hopefully this will be the right shade. I'm just tapping it to see what happens. I will have to play around with this. Finally, from that Credo box, my dog is just in all the paper that I've thrown over there from the packaging. from the Credo box is the Maya Chia Straight A, the Straight A. It's the retinol treatment. This also is a repurchase. I absolutely love this. It's the best retinol product I've used. It comes in an oil. I find it moisturizing. It's not at all irritating to my skin. I'm able to use it. I think I use it almost every night. It says benefits of the Straight A. Advanced gentle retinol treatment works to achieve the same results as a Retin A product but without the associated irritation. Minimize the look of lines and wrinkles and improve the look of skin's texture. Boost collagen production and speed cell turnover through the combination of encapsulated retinol, moth bean extract, bakuchiol, and shelf-stable vitamin C and E. Maintain and increase the appearance of skin's firmness and resiliency, blah, blah, blah. So basically do the things that retinol does. But I didn't quite realize this also has bakuchiol in it, or bakuchiol, the plant version of retinol that people are touting, although bakuchiol isn't actually a retinol, but it does seem to have similar effects and doesn't cause the irritation that retinol causes, and apparently also works beautifully in conjunction with retinol. Again, check out my Aging Gracefully video. I think I pretty much say the same thing. I love this. I'm excited to have this back in my life. And the last box, I'm pretty sure, is another Credo. Oh, no, this is a KJAER WEIS. KJAER WEIS also had a sale, so I couldn't resist. KJAER WEIS is very expensive, and this looks so orange. This is not what this looks like. I'm sure not. I went ahead and repurchased my favorite foundation ever, and I'm curious if I'll still love it as much. This is the Invisible Touch Liquid Foundation. I got the shade Paper Thin. Gosh, I hope that's the right shade. And all KJAER WEIS's stuff comes in this cardboard packaging, which is really cool. Now, the only thing about buying from KJAER WEIS instead of Credo that is a disadvantage is they don't allow returns. Once you've opened something, it's yours. So Credo's definitely the better option if you don't know your shade. And this looks really funky. Maybe it's cold. I think maybe it got frozen. Maybe I'll take a picture and send it to them before I take it out. I don't want to put that on my face. I know it's not mold, but doesn't that look like mold? It is in glass packaging with a squeezy top, probably just separated, but I'm still gonna take a picture and get in touch with customer service. Apparently I got the Cheek Collection, the Cheek Collective. It's in the red packaging, which is cardboard, very light. There is this deeper shade here. Oh, that's just so smooth and nice. It's very pigmented. Of course, no scent. I don't know why I'm smelling it. Well, let's just see. I have to look in like the monitor. They have the most beautiful cheek products. Oh, this is gonna give like a really gorgeous winter flush. Did I get it rubbed in? I mean, I just tap it, and it's weightless. Once it's on your face and you tap it in, like it's hard to tell where it is and where it isn't. It's pretty much weightless. Well, I still have plenty left, even though I have lip gloss on. I'll just do this. Let's try this shade on the other cheek, not eye. It's just hard to stop swirling. It just feels so nice. So this is this one. Closer to the Bobbi Brown. I guess I could swatch these here. Oh. All right, so this is much more wearable for me. And this is just more a shade that I tend to wear, more of a pink rather than more of a, this one has a bit of red in it. And then this is a highlighter. Quite golden. I actually wore a KJAER WEIS highlighter today. So that looks pretty. And we'll just pop some on the eyes. All right, we'll see how much I use that. They're definitely beautiful shades. And then I did get a cream eyeshadow. I love KJAER Weiss's cream eyeshadows. Oh, I was surprised. It's empty because I bought a red case for it. I have the iconic edition, or whatever they call the very heavy original packaging. It's silver and refillable. The red edition is also refillable, but very light cardboard, like I mentioned, and a lot less expensive. And so it looks like I got the shade Recharge. So it comes again in the cardboard with covered in parchment paper. This actually looks like it'd be a beautiful blush. Sort of a taupe. And you see it kind of looks different in different lights here. I wonder if I can wear it with my new Bobbi Brown just a sec. I'm feeling holiday on my arm. Very holiday. Let me put the little top back on. Oh no, I can put it right into my package. So I did also get a sample of the beautiful primer. I have multiples of these because I keep getting these sent with, you know, my purchases, and I've never used one of them. I've just not used primers because I end up with so much on my face between sunscreen and foundation. I just feel like the sunscreen or moisturizer I have on already acts as a primer. Maybe one of these days I'll try it. And then finally, I've been getting emails from a company called, I guess it's WHIND. I guess it's affiliated with KJAER Weis because this sample was included in my order, which is very interesting because you would think they'd have some huge introduction. And KJAER Weis also has its own skincare. I know KJAER Weis recently took on a new partner or was acquired by a very interesting company. It's not anything like Estee Lauder or anyone in the beauty industry at all. It's, I believe, a company that invests in innovative companies, basically. This is what I got. Plump, prime, and hydrate in one step. Well, they already have products that do that. A face oil, they have their primer, but this says meet WHIND's Medina Dew Melting Rosewater Cream, which I'm not going to open because it looks like once I open it, it might be exposed. And I'm not ready to use it. I'll probably take it with me on a trip. I don't know. An award-winning day cream that floods the skin with lasting hydration, melting on application from weightless cream to water to create a smooth, dewy veil that glows all day, even under makeup. I've never even heard of this brand. Have you heard of it, that it's award-winning? Loved by makeup artists and skincare enthusiasts alike, this multi-use moisturizer can be worn as a plump, glowy base under your foundation, mixed in with your favorite KJAER Weis cream blush for a glossy touch of color, or applied over makeup for a fresh-faced dewy glow. It's cruelty-free and carbon neutral. I just don't understand what this is. I don't understand why it's included with my KJAER Weis order. I don't understand this. So these are my most recent purchases. I just got this on the leather chair. So let me know what you think of my purchases. I know that I have one more box coming from Credo, and I did place a Sephora sale order. I think I bought 11 items, which is pretty good, I think. And I'm sorry I did not get a video up showing a shop with me because time just, it flew by, and then the sale started and I wanted to get my order in immediately. Already one of the lipstick shades I was trying to get was sold out. Maybe it'll get replenished and I can still get it. Of course, I'll show you what I got from Sephora when that comes, and my other Credo box. Oh, my cheeks feel so supple and like plump. I wasn't expecting that. They feel so nice. So that's it for today's video. I'd love to hear what you think about everything I got. Please do leave comments in the comment section. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box. Some of them will be affiliate links. And as always, I hope you find some time to pamper yourself today. Bye.